ABC Speaking Academy. Today, let's have a speaking practice using daily use English sentences. I want to play.
I want to play.
I have a ball.
I have a ball.
He eats apple.
He eats apple.
I am walking.
I am walking.
She drinks lemonade.
She drinks lemonade.
I like to sing.
I like to sing.
I feel sleepy.
I feel sleepy.
She is relaxing on grass.
She is relaxing on grass.
I love cooking.
I love cooking.
I am eating a pizza.
I am eating a pizza.
The baby is sleeping.
The baby is sleeping.
He is crying.
He is crying.
He drinks milk every day.
He drinks milk every day.
I love chocolate.
I love chocolate.
She is eating salad.
She is eating salad.
She is amazing.
She is amazing.
I am so happy.
I am so happy.
I am excited.
I am excited.
I love reading books.
I love reading books.
He is writing.
He is writing.
She is playing basketball.
She is playing basketball.
He prays to God.
He prays to God.
They are laughing.
They are laughing.
It is a beautiful ring.
It is a beautiful ring.
I drink a juice.
I drink a juice.
We are talking.
We are talking.
She is using the phone.
She is using the phone.
Don't sneeze here.
Don't sneeze here.
I am cooking food.
I am cooking food.
I I love gardening.
I love gardening.
I have a cold.
I have a cold.
He is playing a video game.
He is playing a video game.
She is sitting on the floor.
She is sitting on the floor.
He looks handsome.
He looks handsome.
Call mom now.
Call mom now.
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
Let's go to the market.
Let's go to the market.
I am ready now.
I am ready now.
He is drinking water.
He is drinking water.
She likes coffee.
She likes coffee.
Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
This is my notebook.
This is my notebook.
This is for you, dear.
This is for you, dear.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hug your sister.
Hug your sister.
I walk with my dog.
I walk with my dog.
Will you marry me?
Will you marry me?
I am working.
I am working.
We are in the car.
We are in the car.
Let's think about it.
Let's think about it.
This is my family.
This is my family.
She is folding clothes.
She is folding clothes.
Play with snowballs.
Play with snowballs.
He is going.
He is going.
Let's eat breakfast.
Let's eat breakfast.
It is too heavy.
It is too heavy.
He is eating popcorn.
He is eating popcorn.
Good night, Mom.
Good night, Mom.
I have a book.
I have a book.
Thanks for listening.